Hi guys, so I want to talk about this story, but there isn't much information about this story. So it says a 40-year-old fireman is in police custody after the body of a St. Anne woman who went missing on Monday was found on Wednesday near Harmony Vale in the parish. The body of Maxine Parkinson, 63, of Claremont, St. Anne, was discovered with wounds to the head. The police later arrested the suspect, who is a relative of the deceased. Reports indicate that a family dispute was at the heart of her death. It is theorized that Parkinson was abducted from her home and killed at the location where her body was found. Residents reported hearing screams coming from the location on Tuesday night. The police recovered a machete with bloodstains from the scene. A commanding officer for St. Anne's Senior Superintendent of Police, Dwight Powell, is appealing for information on the case. We're appealing to anyone who has information to assist us with our investigation to reach out to the Claremont Police Station at 876-972-3244 or the police emergency at 119 or the nearest police station, Powell told reporters. According to a recent update, it is said that Instagram and Instagram DMs are one of the most ways that Jamaica Constabulary Force have been getting information. If you don't feel like calling the police and you have a burner Instagram and you have some information, you can always give them the information and you will be rewarded in some cases. The fact that 2024 has just started and this is how we are starting off 2024, a family member killing another family member, and I'm just going to theorize it's probably over land, house, or money, because that is the only way someone will go, or I have seen that they will go to killing a family member is probably over something like that. House, land, car, money. Something along those lines are what Jamaicans normally kill their family members for stuff, which is why me no want no part for doing no land, house, or anything like that where Jamaica is concerned. If my name not buy, me not put the money to it, my name the on the title and the deed and everything, me no want nothing to do with it. Because at the end of the day, if things are not put into place, like written will, written trust, written deed and title, things normally go south. Things normally end up causing dysfunction and causing problems in families. So more Jamaicans need to actually think about that. Instead of leaving everything on everyone for when you are gone to figure it out before you die. Who am I leaving the land to? Who I'm leaving the house to? Who I'm leaving the car to? Who I'm leaving the money to? Who name is going to be on the deed and the title? What can I do to ensure everyone is protected? Like putting all of this stuff in a trust. What can I do to make sure there's no problems? All of that. And I find that Jamaicans normally leave stuff for everyone else to figure out when they are gone. And I really hope this doesn't have nothing to do with house, car, or land, or anything like that. But I'm probably going to guess that they do. And I'm imploring anybody with any information to definitely call or DM police, JCF on social media with information, because no one deserves to die like that, especially over a dispute. We definitely need to bring back conflict resolutions in schools, because more and more I see that taking conflict resolution outside of school is decaying our society and decaying us as a people, because we don't know how to conflict resolute anymore. With that being said, I'm going to end this video here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.